Hey guys, we're still working on factors today, and today we're going to be looking at something called factor rainbows. So, this is something that you can do on a piece of paper. So the homework is going to be somewhat similar to yesterday, where you have numbers and you've got to find the factors. So like yesterday, one of the numbers was 8. So here's how you do a factor rainbow. And I'd like you to be doing some of these today, and I'll assign which numbers to do. So you think about, okay, what numbers multiply to equal 8? You know 1 times the number itself is going to be 8. So you have 1 and 8 on the outside. So here's where the rainbow part comes in. So 1 times 8 equals 8. What about 2? Yeah, 2 times 4 equals 8. Anything else? Well, not 3. And 4, we already talked about it. So yeah, that's all of them. 1, 2, 4, and 8. So you do the factor rainbow, and you'd write 1, 2, 4, and 8. And then if I ask you, list the factors, you would actually write, the factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Well, let's try a factor rainbow of, how about 12? So the first one is 1 times number itself, right? 1 times 12, that's 12. And then you go up and you think, okay, well, it's even, so I know for sure 2 is going to fit into it. 2 times what? 2 times 6. So you put the 6 second on that side. What about 3? Does 3 go into 12? Well, if you're not sure, you get out your handy dandy multiplication table and you're like, oh, sure does. 3 times 4 is 12. I see 12 right there in the 3's. So 3 does go in. It's 3 times what? Times 4. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Let's try the next one that I see here from yesterday is 16. Let's try 16. So now you should be kind of getting somewhat used to doing this. So you know the first number you're going to do is 1. And 1's going to be connected on the rainbow to 1 times what equals 16? Well, 1 times 16, of course. And now it's even. We know for a fact 2 goes into every even number. So 2 times what equals 16? 2 times 8. Does 3 go into 16? I don't think so, but I can always look at my multiplication table. Nope, sure doesn't. What about 4? Yep, 4 does. 4 times 4. So, in this case, you got 4 twice because you need to make the rainbow meet up. And now you've got all the factors. 1, 2, 4, and when you just list the factors, you don't need to say 4 twice. You just give it once. 8, 16. And when I look at my factor rainbow, I know, oh yeah, 16. 1 times 16 equals 16. 2 times 8 equals 16. And 4 times 4 equals 16. Let's try, I'm just going to do a few more from yesterday to review those. And then you can do a few factor rainbows yourself today. That's going to be the assignment. So let's do 18. That was the next one. 18. So 1 times 18 equals 18. I know 2 goes in because it's even. 2 times, if you're not sure, check your 2's. Right there, 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. And what about 3? Does 3 go in? Yep. 3 times 6 equals 18. Anything else? Would 4 or 5 go in? Well, 4 doesn't, because I see right there. And 5 definitely doesn't, because 5's always end in 5, 10, 15, 20. They always end in a 5 or a 0. So that's it. So I got them all. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. We'll do one more, and then you guys will do your assignment. So let's do 20, let's do 24. 24 is kind of a tough one because I know for a fact there are a lot of factors in 24. So 1 times 24, obviously, right? 2 times, do you know what that is? Well, what's half of 24? 2 times that number is going to be 24. It's 12. 3, does 3 go in? Yep, right there. 3 times 8. And 4, does 4 go in? Remember, if you want to think, does 4 go into number, you think, can I half the number twice? Yeah, because half of 24 is 12. Half of 12 is 6. So it sure does. And it's right there. 4 times 6 is 24. And I know 5 doesn't go in because it doesn't end in a 5 or 0. So that's all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Wow, that number has a lot of factors. So please check the math description on the homework for what you're going to be doing. It's going to be factor rainbows, and you're going to be doing all of those numbers on a piece of paper.